I applied a thin layer of gesso on the canvas before starting the painting. Now for those of you who don't know what a gesso is, it's basically a primer. It prepares the canvas for the painting by making it slightly textured. Even though most canvases these days come in already pre-primed or pre-textured, I still like to add another layer of gesso on my canvases to make them even smoother. Working in oils, if I don't apply a layer of gesso, the oil will eventually soak into the raw canvas, making it brittle, causing it to fall apart. This is what you call the canvas rot. For this particular segment of the painting, I applied a layer of olive green throughout the canvas, and I added patches of black where I want to show the effect of depth and volume. Now I don't know details right now. I like to do details in the very end. Other people have other techniques, but this is just how I paint. Now every oil painting has 3 general rules. It's fat over lean, thick over thin, and slow drying over fast drying. If you don't know what they are, you can search them up online, but these are what I'm going to be incorporating in this painting. Now for painting water, I again painted a layer of olive green and I left blank spaces wherein I'll make the reflections of the 2 birds. I'll continue detailing the water and adding textures to it as the layers dry. Now it's very important that you maintain your brushes. I clean my brushes in Gamsol. And oil you use in the painting process can be harmful for the environment, so make sure once you're done with the painting you dispose them off safely and properly.